Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Monkey Quest Reborn on your Android device. So first of all, you guys are going to go to mqreborn.com. Then you're going to click on download, and then it's going to download the file. Then once the file is downloaded, you guys are going to install this app. You guys are going to install this app called WINLATOR right here. So you guys are actually have it installed and everything. You guys are going to click on this plus, and then it's going to create a new container. I mean, it's probably just going to be container 1 or 0, or it's not going to say anything at all. It's just going to say container. Anyway, so, what you guys are going to want to do there, don't do what I'm doing. Just stay where it says, like, container and everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn your graphics driver to turn up. I think it's already like that. DX wrapper to 1. D3 to D. Audio driver ALSA. Wine configuration. Light. Image. I think this is normal. Win components. Everything should be native to Windows. I also think that's how it stays. Environment variables. Delete the one where it shows like megabytes. Like, I think it's gonna be like right here or right here. It's gonna say like 512 megabytes or something. Just click the little delete button where it says it. Drives, that's fine. Advanced. Box 64. Make sure it's on intermediate. Startup selection, aggressive, Windows version, Windows 7. Turn the processor to CPU 0, 1, 2. So just uncheck 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on both 32-bit apps and just normal. Then you're gonna click the check mark here. I think, yeah, it's also there. Okay. And then it might boot it up, but if it doesn't, just click the little play. And so, now, you guys are gonna, you're gonna be inside the computer. By the way, you can just use your finger as the mouse, as I'm doing right here. But you also, and by the way, if you want your keyboard, just click the back button, and then click on keyboard. But since it's kind of not really working that much, I suggest downloading Hacker's Keyboard, and then try doing that. But if you have like an attachable or Bluetooth keyboard, that's like my suggestion, like I have right now, Bluetooth mouse and like an attachable on keyboard. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click start, run, browse, and then this is where your exe is gonna come in through. So you're gonna just scroll, and as you can see, install MQ Reborn exe. You're gonna open that. It's going to guide you through the thing. You just click next and allow and everything like that. And then soon you're going to have this. Never open it through here. Oh, whoopsies. Yeah, it crashes if you don't do anything in 5 seconds. But anyway, so you're just going to just make sure so you're always active, clicking something every a couple seconds. See, alright, and then so you're going to click start. Programs. Monkey Quest Reborn, play. That's how you want to play it. You never want to open it through the little thing there. And I suggest just clicking start and every couple seconds so it doesn't kick you off. I don't know why it kicks people off like that, but it does. So just yeah. And you're in a good spot if you see the little this thing, the patcher. If you see the patcher open, you're in a good spot, and you know that you have a high chance of it working. I know the game runs on a 5 frame per second, but it's not bad. If you just play it, it's not that bad as you may think it will be. It runs alright. Looks like it runs at 30 frames a second. Not perfect, but not unplayable. There's no lag at all. It's just the slow frames, but you can boost up your frames depending on the device you have. But I don't suggest doing that, as it might make the little the virtual computer incompatible. Oh yeah, and by the way, when you're in this launcher right here, make sure to type in your username and password fast. And then always make sure to save the username and password so you could just always go back in and click log in. Anyway, that's how you play Monkey Quest Reborn. Now, everything takes a second, like to load up the menu takes a second. To load in the game takes a second, but it should work fine as long as you type both of these in really fast and click remember password and then log in.